Hi. Unhappily, I need you to write an introductory essay. I know that writing essays is not your favorite thing to do. Well, some of you may love doing it, but who knows? This introductory essay is simply for me to see what things we need to work on this semester. So it's required, but you will get an automatic A. I want you to spend about half an hour on the essay, and it's due on Friday, September 3rd. I want you to remember all the things that you forgot in your high school English class or all the things you slept through. Oh, what? You didn't sleep through English class like everybody else? Anyway, try to remember not to use slang, cliches, euphemism. Try to remember to capitalize the word I because you're not using text message. Try to remember to write out numbers 0 to 100. Don't use abbreviations. Just do your best, and I will make comments on all of your essays. But no matter how wonderful or horrible you did, you'll still get an A, because I want to encourage you to write the best you can. Other essays we'll spend a long time on and do research, but this is just a brief one that gives me an idea of your writing skills. Okay, see you at the next video whenever I make it.